Hello everyone, today we have another video brought to you by Nice Electrical Services, and today we have another in action slash review. And the tool we will be having in action, or the one that we will be reviewing, is that XtremepowerUS demolition hammer that you see right there. I've had this jackhammer for over 3 years now, and I recommend it. You can find it on Amazon, and I will post the link in the description where you can get that jackhammer. So just to get a closer look, this is it. It's heavy. It's heavy. Safe to say it's heavy. So it's 2200 watts, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1900 rpm. And as I said, I've had it for over 3 years, and I really like it. I really like it, and I also recommend it. It's a really good jackhammer. So, we're going to put it in action and let you see how well it works. We're going to break up. We have a piece of rock here. We're going to break that piece of rock, as well as a small piece of concrete slab. And I already know that that piece of concrete slab, or this piece of rock, is no match to this jackhammer, because as I said, I've been using it for a while and I know its potential. As you can see, we were already breaking up some rock. We did that with another jackhammer. I did a video on that also, so I'm going to post that. You're going to see that video pop up on the screen right now. So you can just open that video in another tab. You can watch it when you're finished. So if you don't want a jackhammer as big as this one, you can check out that one that just pop up on the screen. So let's get into it, guys, and see how well this jackhammer works. So first, the concrete rock. Let me just get the card out of the way. So as you can see, very easy, very easy. Did a great job. So let's do the concrete slab now. Okay, so that should be enough for you to be the judge of this jackhammer. So you can tell me what you think about it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this jackhammer. Also, the lubrication for this one is oil, so you can just put the oil inside here, and that's it, guys. Let me just leave it right there like that. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. That's brought to you by Nice Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Nice Electrical Services. Thank you very much.